So this here is our Blackstone 36-inch griddle. Got a new griddle cover for it, designed to fit 36-inch Blackstones. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, give you a close-up look at it, and show you how well it fits our griddle. So as we're unraveling the cover here, you can see the exterior has a fabric, the interior has pretty much like a vinyl or plastic lined, but it feels very durable. It's got a nice thickness to it, which will hopefully allow it to maintain good durability through the course of use. The stitching on here is reinforced to help ensure that the seams stay together, don't pull apart. The quality on this looks really nice as far as the stitching goes. So you can see our Blackstone griddle here, we've got the two side shelves and then see here, even without the hood on our griddle, this cover fits perfectly. So it's good with or without hoods, just the right length here. And here is just a quick demonstration. You can see the water beating up on the cover here. This is just water from a hose pooling up. And we'll go ahead and check underneath the cover here in a second, just to confirm that we don't have any water ingress. So we're completely dry under here. Everything is very well protected with the cover. And that's why I highly recommend this cover if you're looking to protect your griddle. There's obviously a lot of metal on the grill itself here. You don't want water causing rust and issues down the road. So that cover will help protect your griddle for years to come.